You're recording now?
Yes, sir.
Oh, Lord, but I was saying inappropriate things. All right, guys, welcome to the 717 Supply channel. We got Ben behind the camera as per usual, and we finished up some ads today, and we did really good. Well, I did really good. Ben just held the camera, but I did really good. I did them in one take, so we have some extra time. Ben did good too. Ben's not that good in there. But I see you smiling back there.
Do you want to show them the outside of the garage?
Yeah, I guess we could. So I wanted to give you all just a quick tour, a little update on the shop, because a lot has changed since you guys saw it last. So number one, now everything is done with the outside of the building. New roof, new siding. The siding is gray with the black trim, looks good. New garage door trim. Again, nothing fancy, but it looks good now. Everything looks good and finished up. And you can see my Lunar Edition Ram is parked here, which is going to be relevant when you see what's inside. Now, of course, you already know that most likely. If you're finding this video, you're already gonna hear about the dual giveaway, but I'll show you anyway because it's exciting. So welcome to 717 Supply. Now that we finally have all the renovations and everything else done. Now again, sorry Ben, did you make it through? Did you make it through there? All right, so this is our little office here. We got it all cleaned up. Again, it was definitely messy for a long time, just with so much dust and debris because the entire ceiling was redone. It is an older building, and our landlord has been great. We do rent here, and you know, he had a lot of problems as well because he just bought the building and then like the roof collapsed. It was just wild. So we got everything done. It was like a 4 to 6 month process, but now that it's done, I figured I would show you all. And we're very thankful that it's done because it was a little bit of a stressful time. So we got the office all cleaned up. I did buy a little living room set and mounted a TV for the employees. That's Britt's office. She is our warehouse manager. So that's her like command center. So when you guys order stuff, she's basically in charge. She sets everything up besides what's gonna go out, and she's very good. Everyone here is very good at their job. We have a great team. Small team, but great. Even the people you don't see, like Dan, who does all of our designs, and Nicole in customer service, Ben behind the camera, everyone does a really good job. So they got their little living room set with the new TV here. They like to use this. They don't always watch my uploads, which is okay, I guess. They watch other YouTubers. I'll allow it, but I just put one of my own videos on. And that's not lame at all, not even a little bit. So this is a cool little just a hangout area. They do have a kitchen as well. I guess we don't really need to show the kitchen. It's just a kitchen. Oh, I should have turned the sign on. Dang it, that's all right. We'll turn the sign on right now. This is a very casual upload, so we can, you know, just do, yeah. Here we go, the sign's on. Yeah. I even put the color change on there. Yeah. It's actually a cool sign. One of the first things I had made for the company, although like I mean it was like 400 bucks. I shouldn't have spent money on that early, but I was like, well, we need a cool sign. So I had the sign before anything else was done. Now, out to the warehouse. This is where the cool stuff is. So, I mean, just real quick, like shipping these are all boxes basically in this part of the warehouse. We may still need a bigger building. That could be happening in 2024. We might need a bigger building. As you can see, it does get pretty packed in. But for right now, it's working. Although with 2 trucks, which we will be doing a lot of trucks and dual giveaways, this is pretty much it. There's not anything else that can fit in this building, and we would like to bottle our own detail spray at some point. So the next giveaway here is the dual. Oh, and I'm glad we left the sign up. I want to show them that. So we got the Denali, the 24 Denali, and we just added in the Lunar Edition Ram TRX. So it's basically an identical truck. Well, it's not basically, it's an identical truck to my daily driver that you guys love. So many of you love it. So I figured let's throw one in, and Ram just canceled the Ram TRX. Ram Trucks has canceled the truck. It's done, it's gone. The Ram T-Rex is officially extinct. They were going to downgrade from the Hellcat to the Hurricane Inline 6, but now it's gone completely. There is going to be a truck that kind of looks like that. It'll be styled a little different, but it's going to be the Ram RHO, and it will have that inline 6-cylinder engine. So not only is the Hellcat done, but the T-Rex is done completely after only 4 years. Very sad. So when I heard that, and knowing how much you guys have loved it on the channel, and of course I've had like 10 of them, and I've done a lot of TRX stuff, I wanted to get one for y'all because it's the last chance. And I really love doing Ram TRX giveaways, and we won't be able to do new ones anymore. This is the last year to do it. So I threw in a Ram TRX and 30 grand. You get automatically entered for both whenever you get any of the new merch on there. Now, a quick behind the scenes thing here. When we film ads for Facebook, which we started doing, I was trying to, it's like it's a lot to read because you want to get a lot of information out there, but you got to do it quickly. So I was trying to like memorize so much and do it quickly, and I was screwing up. Like, Ben, what would you say the one time we filmed for like?
Did like 30 takes.
Over an hour. It was over an hour. So what I thought was like, we should do it like in television, and we started writing down what I'm saying on the cardboard. Now, granted, this is a very rudimentary system, but it works really well because today we did 2 and not a single screw up once on the first try, both on the first try. So this is our little system here. Should we even show people? This is kind of embarrassing.
I mean, I zoomed in.
We just bounce it on trash, but it works really well. Yeah, it's classy, and you can see our other one here as well underneath. But I like at 717 Supply, I really try to show you guys everything. Like, we really show you everything. So like, this is our building. Every order you place comes out of here. This is behind the scenes. This is us. So there's no sense in hiding it. I'd rather show y'all, even if we're balancing cardboard on trash. It's funny, and it works. So this is the team here. They are packing orders. You can see orders going out in a box right there. These are all orders going out. We ship stuff pretty quick. As long as it's in stock, it goes out pretty fast. Some items, you know, if it sells out, we got a back order. It might take like a week, but stuff goes out really quick in general. People are very happy. We get very few complaints, and people get stuff, especially if you live close by. People get stuff in sometimes a day or 2, which is really good. We're really proud of that. And I guess the best way to show the merch is on the table, but just give you a real quick rundown here. These are all of our aisles, but you can see it's real. We don't use a third-party fulfiller. We do everything here. You can see all the items that are on the website, like, even down to every single sign that's on there. Our little Ram truck sign here comes out of this building, which is pretty cool. So we have rows. We have everything from key tags to air fresheners to like little bottle launcher things. We got all kinds of stuff in the building. And of course, mostly I'd say our big item is t-shirts. We have tons of different t-shirts, and that's what people like the most. And we have our detail spray. And if you guys didn't see, we have the flag mounted on the back. I had that flag custom made in Texas, of course, because they do everything big, and Texas is all about America. So I had them, that's a custom made in Texas American canvas flag. And some of the new merch is here. But I just wanted to give you all a little update, a little shop tour, and a little behind the scenes stuff. Hope you all enjoyed. And whatever Ben throws in after this, I have no control over. So Ben, take it away.